Hi friends, hope all of you are doing good. Today I'll show you how you can create a custom app on Shopify. So this is a more of a kind of developer oriented video. You need to know programming languages like PHP, then the framework Laravel, then the front end technologies React for start creating Shopify apps. You can also use Node.js and Ruby as a backend technology for creating Shopify. Now I'm showing you how you can create a Shopify app using PHP as a backend. If anyone of you are interested in creating a custom app, or if you want to create a public app onto the Shopify App Store, you can start developing those.
Let us start our Shopify app development. So first I have to go to the directory where I want to create my app. So I'm writing the command cd documents, where it is in the documents folder. I am going to create my app now. Next, you have to make sure that you have PHP installed on your system. So make sure you have PHP installed. You have to make sure you have Composer installed on your system. So check the Composer version. I'm just showing you that I have all these installed. So I have my Composer installed and also Node installed. Okay, so I have my Node also installed. Next, the command that you have to type in is npm init at Shopify /app at latest. When you run this command, they will ask you for an app name. So give a name for your app. So I'm going to give the name as order listing app. Okay. Now you have to select which template you want to use. I'm going to build my app using PHP as the backend. So I'm going to select PHP. In case you are using Node or Ruby, you can select the corresponding templates. Let us wait till the template is cloned. So now my app is ready now. Today I have opened the order listing app that we have created now. So you can see that these are the this is the structure of the app. So inside the web folder we have all these folders where we can start our development. So the next thing is we have to install the PHP dependencies by running the command composer install. So for that, let me come back to the terminal and I will go into the app folder now. And I have to go into the web folder. So you can see that there is a web folder here inside it. So you have to move into the web folder, and then here I have to run the command composer install. So once we run composer install, all our composer dependencies will be installed. So here you see there's a composer.json file. So we need to install all these dependencies. Okay, so all the dependencies are installed, you can see now. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a .env file and copy all the contents of this env.example file into that file. So for that, what you can do is you can type the command cp.env.example, which is the file we have, into .env. Okay. So now you can see that we have a .env file and it has copied all the contents from the .env.example file. Next thing we need to do is we need to create the database. So you can see on storage, in the storage folder, we have to create a database file called db.sqlite. We need to come back to our terminal and type the command touch storage. So we are telling inside the storage folder, create a file called db.sqlite. Okay. Now you can see that we have a file called db.sqlite created inside the storage folder. And the next thing what we have to do is we have to update the db database value here with the path of this db.sqlite file here. So it has to be the absolute part. So I am going to copy this path from here, and on by env file I am going to paste the path over here. Okay, and I will save the env file now. We have done that. The next thing what we need to do is in the env file you have to have an app key. So for doing that we need to type the command called php artisan key generate. Okay, so once you type in this command, an application key is set successfully. You can see on your .env file the app key is set. So now you have to run the command php artisan migrate. Now the migrations have also done successfully. Come out of the web folder and we are in the root folder. Now in the root folder you can run the command npm run dev. So I'll make this a little bigger so it becomes easier for you to see. Okay, so now you can see they are asking me which partner organization is this for. So I'm choosing our partner organization MAQ. Now they will ask you whether you need to create it as a new app or you want to connect it to an existing app. So I'm going to create it as a new app. So I'll select yes, create it as a new app. Now here I have to give the app name. So you can give the app name. So I'm going to give it as app order listing app. Okay, once you type that, they will ask you on which store you want to install the app. Okay, so I can actually take any of the development stores that I have in my partner's dashboard. So here I'm going to select a development store called test hydrogen. So now you can see that the app is running on our my ngrok tunnel. So I will copy this and I can go into the browser. Now I go into the browser and I type in that code I got. So you'll get a page like this. You can click on visit site. You can see that on my test development store a page comes here where we can install the app. So just click on install app and the app will be installed. So this is the template that Shopify gives us when we run these commands. Okay, so you can see that there is a they have given us two navigations over here called order listing app and another called page name. So these are the things that comes by default in our app. We have a total product count over here that is fetched from our product API and shown over here. Now if I click on populate 5 products, what happens is 5 more products actually get populated on my store and the count also will get incremented here. Now you see 5 more products are added and the count also gets incremented. Now in the next video I will show you, we will see now in the next video I will show you how we can actually edit this from the code and how we can add new React components and display it over here. We will see how we can give an API call to fetch the orders and then list all those orders here using the Polaris index table or data table. So all these things we will see in the next video. Thanks for watching.